What's up, YouTube? Today we have a very special unboxing video that I wanted to share. I've been anticipating this for months, okay? And it's finally here. It came in the mail. It's this box right here. Bam! And inside this box is the beginning of this rest of this year, where I'll be working 40 hours a day on this bad boy right here. Let's open it up and find out what it is. Bang, bang, bang. Oof. Dude. Woo. Woo. Look at this. Look at this bad boy. This right here is a case. Do you see that? That is, I think it's a Google logo. It is my, like, I don't know if I'm allowed to show this part, but it's definitely, it's my machine that I'm gonna be using. Ooh, baby. Ooh, buddy. Ooh. An MVP MacBook Pro. But it just ain't a MacBook Pro. This right here is a Google MacBook Pro. Ta-da! I'm gonna not show what's gonna happen on the screen because I don't know if I'm allowed to show it. It's probably just a login, but I can't show you. Oh, it has my name. My name. Written by a Google engineer somewhere, or IT person. It's ready. It's like, I just need the login credentials, which I'm gonna get in an email. And then I got this like sick ass bag. Got my bag with my, what is this called? A dongle. I got my secure information right here that you guys can't see because this is just a picture. And then I got my charger. I got my cable. Dude, if I'm too hyped and you guys are like, oh, so cringy, so hyped, because you're a senior engineer and you're looking at nuclear, I'm sorry, dude. I'm excited. What can I do, man? I'm excited. So let's see if there's anything else in the box. There's not anything else on the box. So I just came back from recording the other video that you probably just saw, and I came back to this surprise. This kind of shows you that, dude, this is real. Those thoughts that I was talking about ain't real. This is real. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.